Hello kids. Deep blue color, red color, green color, yellow color, orange color, pink color, black color. A for ant. B for basket. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gun. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lion. M for mouse. N for nest. O for ox. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for toy. U for umbrella. V for vulture. W for wool. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Bye bye kids.